Good morning students. This is our video number 7 and in this video we are going to revise our video number 1 to 6. The complete chapter percentage we are going to revise in this video. What kind of questions come from throughout your chapter number 10 we will discuss in this. So let us start by taking our first question. What percent of 450 is 36? So we are going to do our solution number first. In first solution, we will assume that let x percent of 450 is 36. Let x percent of 450 is 36. Now, according to question, we can write as x percent of 450 is equal to 36. Now, x over 100 multiply 450 is equal to 36. 1 0 cancel. Now x is equal to 36 multiply 10 by 45. Now 9 5 is 45, 9 4 is 36, 5 1 is 5, 5 is 10. X is equal to 8%, which is our answer. So 8% of 450 is 36. This is our answer. Please note it down. After this, we are going to discuss question number 2. Here it is given 6 into 2 by 3% when expressed as a ratio is. So we have to tell when we express 6 into 2 by 3% as a ratio, what we will get or how we can express this much. Look here. This is solution number 2. And in solution number 2, it is given to us 6 into 2 by 3%. According to question, we can write 6 into 2 by 3 as 20 by 3%. Or further, this can be written as 20 by 3 upon 100. First of all, we will reduce it into fraction. So 21 are 25 are. Fraction is 1 over 15 and simply this fraction can be written as 1 ratio 15. So finally we can write that 6 into 2 by 3% is when expressed as a ratio it will be equal to 1 ratio 15 and which will be our final answer. So students, now you are become very much familiar about these questions. So you feel not a single doubt in solving these kind of questions. So look here, question number 3. In question number 3 it is given to us, if 15% of x is equal to 9, then find out the value of x. Hope you have noted these questions. In third one, 15% of a number x is given to us, that is equal to 9. So we can write it as 15% of x is equal to 9. Now according to question, we have to calculate the value of x. So 15, we will remove the percentage by dividing it by 100 into of means multiplication x that is equal to 9, and x is equal to 9 multiplied by 100 divided by 15. 5 2s are 0, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3 3s are. Now x is equal to 16. So 15% of x is 9, then we have to solve it and we will get the value of x is 60, means 15% of 60 is 9, which is our answer. So students, you have seen these are the very simple questions where you can easily write down their answer by doing a simple calculation. Because up to here you have, up to video number 6 you have learned how to convert a percentage into ratio, into fraction or into decimal, or how to convert a decimal or fraction or ratio into percentage. Now in fourth sum it is like that, we are going to just convert a decimal into percentage. Till third question we have done, we will find out the percentage into ratio and decimal. So fourth one is when 6.5 is expressed as a percentage, so we get what? So look here. Fourth sum, it is given to x 6.5 decimal. A decimal is given to us. Now for the question. So what we have? We have 6.5, that is equal to 65 by 10. We will remove this decimal and now multiply it by 100 and then give the symbol of percentage. 1 0 cancel from this one. 65 into 10, 600, 50%. This is our answer. Please note it down. Now to fourth we have done. After this we are going to solve our fifth sum. What is the fifth sum? The price of a bicycle is reduced from 2000 rupees to 1750 rupees. The percentage decrease in the price is, means a bicycle rate of a bicycle is given, that is of 2000 rupees. After reduction it will get it price reduced up to 1750 rupees. Now we have to tell what percentage of decrease in the price of bicycle. So how we will do this? Look here, original price, this is fifth one, original price is equal to 2000 rupees. After that, reduced price that is 1750 rupees. Now we can write decrease in price (2000 minus 1750), that is 250 rupees. This much is decrease in the rate or price. Now according to question, decrease percentage is equal to 250 upon 2000 into 100 into percentage. Now 20 cancel from this, 10 cancel from this, and here we have 25 by 2, and that is 12 into 1 by 2% is the decrease in the price of bicycle. Please note it down. So students, have you seen how much easy is this question? Only we have to just keep in mind what is the original price, what is the reduced price. After that we will compare, and by subtracting original to reduce we will get how much decrease in the price. After that we can calculate the decrease percentage by applying our formula, decrease upon total into 100, that is decrease percentage. Now see question number 6th one. 80% of the teachers in a school are female and number of male teachers is 25, the number of female teachers. So there is a school where 80% of the teachers are female and the number of male teachers are 25, where we have to tell the number of females. So how will you do this? Look here. So here we have given the percentage of female teachers. Solution number 6. Percentage of female teacher %, number of male teachers, or percentage of male teachers, that is 100 minus 80, 20%, number of male teachers, that is 25, means 20% of the total teachers are male, which is 25. Now let the total teacher, let total teachers is equal to X. Now following question, it means 20% of X is equal to 25. 20% of X is equal to 25. 20 upon 100 multiply X 25, 20 with 20, 25, and finally we have X is equal to 25 into 5, 125. So total number of teachers is 125. So 125 is the total number of teachers, which is our answer. Please note it down. So students, only we have given the percentage of female teacher. So because there are only two categories, male and female, we will subtract the percentage of female teacher from 100, we will get the percentage of male teacher. After that we will apply the formula. So now going to our last question of this video. An alloy contains 35% zinc, 20% copper and rest of the nickel. If in alloy 1.5 kg of alloy, the means the total quantity of the alloy is given 1.5, in which 35% is zinc, 20% is copper, rest is the nickel. We have to calculate the quantity of nickel. Seven sum it is. So we can write here the percentage of zinc that is 35%. Percentage of copper that is 20%. Now percentage of nickel that is 100 minus 35 plus 20, 100 minus 55, 45%. Now according to question, alloy is equal to 1.5 kilogram, that is 1.5 multiply 1000, that is 1500 gram. Now according to question, quantity of nickel, quantity of nickel that is equal to 45% of 1500 gram and that is 45 by 100 multiply 1500, 20 cancel. Now 15 5 is 75, 15 4 is 60 and 7 37, that is our answer. So the 675 gram is the quantity of nickel in this alloy of 1.5 kilogram. Please note it down. So students, this is all about today's video. Thank you very much.